Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Petkins Happy Place.
Yeah.
There's Shopkins too. Okay, here's the look.
Yeah, actually all the packages are the same, right?
There's this side and this side. Should we open it now? Sure, let's
Well,
open
each pack contains what? 3 Petkins and 1
tile.
Yeah.
If you combine 5 tiles together, you can make a tile floor. Yeah, you can make a floor if you have 5 tiles. Oh no, I'm bleeding. Oh, I'm just bleeding myself. You open it for me.
You want to unpack it now? 3 Petkins. No IC. Okay, well, this is the first one, right?
You open it.
Wow, this one is so small, you see?
No, you open it.
What's that? You're breathing? You cut your hand with what? By what? By the paper or the scissor? You cut yourself? Okay. No. You want to cry? You cut yourself? And you tell children, be careful to use your scissor, right? Okay, bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and say goodbye to Audrey. Bye bye.